You cannot separate the history of our nation and the founding of our law and justice system from the Ten Commandments.
Lawmakers, lawyers, and organizations gathered at the Capitol today to show their support for Act 573.
This is about the histories and traditions of the United States, and the Ten Commandments plays an important role in that.
The new law approved during this last year's legislative session requires public schools and government buildings to display the Ten Commandments. It was also set to go into effect last week until a judge put it on hold as a group of parents worked to overturn it, calling the act unconstitutional. But supporters say the U.S. Supreme Court already weighed in on this debate.
This has been part of history and tradition for a long time in America. The lawsuit that happened here was not a surprise, knew that would be coming, but also knew that with what the Supreme Court had given us in 2019, that there's really firm footing on this, because this is something that has a long-standing historical tradition in America, and that's teaching the Ten Commandments to students. So this has been key for so much of our history and just returning to really what has worked in previous generations.
While the ongoing lawsuit is focused on displaying the Ten Commandments in just 4 of Arkansas's schools, proponents of the ruling say it's not giving up.
We're obviously in disagreement with the ruling of the judge at the district level, but that will be appealed.